Okay, so we are in harvest season now, so this is kind of running into the third week of August here in Manitoba. So what we're going to do is we took the lid off already, so now we've got the top. We're going to take the top off. Karen, my lovely assistant's going to smoke it out a little bit. So again, back to the one-handed videoing again. Just going to lever this up, and there's a little, oh, that's sticky. They glue everything down just to stop that. Okay, so we're looking inside, a little bit of smoke, just to kind of push them down a little bit. So, oh, hang on a second, here we go. So what we're doing with harvest, we're basically going to look inside, and when we look inside, we're looking for kind of full frames that are already capped. We know pretty much that this box has full frames that are already capped, because we've been in here the last couple of weeks on and off just having a little bit of a look. So what we've done in previous years is we have just took the frames out, and when you take the frame out, we've got a brush and actually just brushed the bees away from the frame. But this year we're going to do something new. We bought another piece of equipment. Yeah, these aren't fully full, some of them, but most of them are getting there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get set up and we will come back. So after having a look inside, we actually found that the second box, which is this box, which actually got more honey in it and fuller than the first box. So what we've done is switched them over. So we pulled the second box off and we put the top box on, because again there's a little more space in there for them to work over the next few days. So what we're going to do now is put something on called a bee escape. So this bee escape fits on, and it's wire mesh, and there we go. And you can just see those tubes inside. So what happens is the bees go into these holes, and then they come out of the tubes, and then they can go into the bottom of the hive. But the bees won't find the way back up the tube, back into the hive. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put on the box, which is full of honey, and then the bees will work their way down through the escape and then stay in the bottom, and then in a couple of days time we'll be able to pick this box off and it'll be empty of bees, because we won't let them back in through the top. So this basically is a way better way and a more friendly way of actually getting the bees out, rather than stressing them out and us spending hours on brushing bees off. So we're just going to grab this box. Again, remember, these boxes full, they weigh about anywhere from 60 to 80 pounds depending on how much bees are in there. Okay, so we're just going to put this on. Oh. That's why I got my lovely assistant. Try not to get my jacket caught. There we go. So all the bees in the top box now will work their way through. They can get in and out through the vent hole there. So on the top, we're just basically going to put the lid back on, and then they'll all be sealed in and nobody can disappear on it.